Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best free themes for this device. So I really like Galaxy Store. I really like themes store of this device. But now, when this device is new, there are no my favorite best themes for this device in the Galaxy Store. For example, you can open settings, then find themes here, and as you can see here we have no water sky. You can try to find it. Maybe when you search for it, these themes will be available. But now I don't have this water sky UX theme. I have no black emerald theme. I have no theme here, as you can see. There are my favorite free themes from Galaxy Store, and now there are no good themes available in theme store. So now I will show you the best top of the best 3 third-party themes for this device. So enjoy. And on the third place in my top is iOS 60 launcher by Lutein developer. So just find this theme in the Play Store by Lutein. So click low, and great. So I will show you this developer by Lutein. Okay, Lutein. And great, so I think this is really good theme, but in iOS style it's too, I don't know how to say it, it's not too great idea install iOS launcher on the Samsung device, because Samsung device, if someone bought a Samsung device, maybe he can buy iOS device, but he likes Samsung, and I don't know why you need to install this launcher, but this launcher really good and looks really great. So scroll down, choose make default launcher, click OK, find your iOS, OK, and great. So here we have okay, we need to grant permissions, but not now. So here we have really great launcher, with really great interface and with widgets panel on the left side, and of course the best feature of this theme, this is the search by swiping from up to down. This is really helpful and really useful. You don't need to swipe up, then click on the search button on the upper part of your screen. So you just need to swipe down and find any application like in iPhones. So I think this is really fine, really beautiful, and really useful launcher, but of course not the best launcher for your device. So great. On the second place in my top is Launcher app. So just find launcher. Launcher is really great launcher and completely free. Click hello. As you can see here, I have this launcher. If you want to set up this launcher as default, you need to open settings, then find applications, choose default, find your launcher, and great. So I think this is really great launcher because it's too light as it is possible. So you have all standard features on this device, all standard features, and of course you can set up it. And why I love this launcher, because it's too simple. It looks like simple Android, and of course here you can install icon packs, and every good icon pack, of course, you can connect every good icon pack to this launcher. For example, I really love viral icon pack. You can install it completely for free from the Play Store. Just install it, open it. As you can see here, we have 6,000 icons. Click apply, and great. And now we have really simple, really light, and really beautiful launcher with really beautiful icons. I really love this. I love it. I love these icons, and I think that this launcher is really great. Maybe this launcher can be on the first place in our top, but on the first place in our top is the Microsoft launcher. So click get started, validating the app, allow, click continue. Here you can, while this launcher is the best, here you can connect your Microsoft account. Then when you will connect your Microsoft account, you can click link to Windows, and you can use your smartphone in pair with your Microsoft Windows device. For example, I have an iPhone, okay? I have an iPhone and I have a MacBook, and I can use these devices in pair. When someone calls me, I can receive this call on my MacBook. I can speak with my communication partner using my MacBook, and this is really great. I can answer for the messages using my MacBook. But if you're using an Android device, you can't do it. But if you're using Microsoft Launcher with this link to Windows feature, you can create a pair with your Microsoft device and with your with your Samsung device. So I think it's really great. So as you can see here, we have beautiful launcher, but I will try to do one thing here. So as you can see here, I have launcher settings, and here we can set up really everything. Okay, so we can set up everything here. We can set up glance panel. In glance panel, we can set up widgets. We can set up our app drawer. We can hide applications here. We can set up 2 lines on the favorite apps. We have the wallpapers button to set random beautiful wallpapers from the bin. So I think it's really great launcher, but you can find in the applications your Microsoft launcher. So just find it. Click for stop, click OK, then find your storage, click clear data, click delete all. Now you need to open apps again, choose default, choose any other launcher as default, then find your Microsoft launcher, click get started, validate the app, allow, continue, skip. Okay, and here you can use your launcher in pair with your One UI home. Okay, so click continue, click allow, let's go, set this launcher as default now, and cool, this is the magic of the Microsoft and Samsung. Microsoft and Samsung works together, and as you can see here, I have my Microsoft launcher as default launcher. This is my default launcher, but it looks like now it looks like normal One UI, but here I have all features from the Microsoft launcher. As you can see here, I have my hidden apps. I have Microsoft launcher settings here. I can set up gestures. I can set up dock. I can set up themes and wallpapers. I can choose any new wallpaper I want, and in the same time I have the One UI launcher. So it looks great. It looks better than normal Samsung launcher, but I have glance panel. I have all functions, all features from the Microsoft launcher in my normal One UI launcher. So you can integrate Microsoft launcher into the Samsung launcher. So I think this is amazing. So it looks really great. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you like one of this launcher, please just tell us about it. Write in comments about it. If you are using for another launcher, just tell us about it in the comments. I will read every comment. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.